So how do you take retro photos on your iPhone? And let's get started. If you like this type of tutorials, make sure you're subscribed so you never miss anything like that. But the way that it works is that you need to capture a regular photo and apply some retro filter on it. So you can use the built-in solution of going to the Photos app, swiping up and accessing the filters. And the options might allow you to just add some filter on top of your photos to make it look a little bit like retro style, right? So for example, the dramatic worm or the black and white filters, which are at the end, or the vivid worm looks kind of retro if you ask me, right? So you have some built-in options, but more likely you will need some sort of third-party solution. Inside of the App Store, there are plenty of apps which allow you to add this kind of filters. For example, there is one called a Dazz, which has been made with the purpose of creating this type of effect of your photos, right? So it is literally called a vintage camera app. And you might go for the Polaroid style or some, film camera, right? So there are already these nice presets built in. I am not like affiliated with the app in any way, so I'm just showing you what is generally a great way to explore this functionality. Another option is called the mood camera, which is also on a similar principle, right? You can explore the options right there, but it also makes it look like a retro photo. You can go for the gain. You can see right there. So it is really nice and it can add some really film-like effects. Another applications are Lightroom and VSCO, but these are more for applying filters later on rather than capturing the photos with retro filters right away. So these are the options which I would recommend you to explore. Most definitely let me know below in the comments if you managed to do it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you later.